If I was a guest, I would love to use Turo as well. Let me show you one of the most amazing things about using Turo, right? Bear with me. Let me show you. So here are the carousels to receive your baggage, the baggage claim carousels. There they are for the Rockford International Airport. That is the conventional or traditional rental car companies. And over here it says, welcome to Rockford. Now, I have a 2015 Range Rover that has been rented for a couple of days by a guest right here at Rockford International Airport. Please allow me to take you to this car. So now we're in the driveway. This is the rampway for departures and arrivals. It says that right there. This is arrivals. Over there's departure. Guys, pardon this because this is a very small airport. So this is the ramp for the disabled. And once you get off the ramp for the disabled, or the able-bodied people could use it as well. You come out here, you just walk straight down. This is about, I want to say, let's see how long it takes. Maybe about a 2 to 3 minute walk. If you walk really fast, this might just take 2 minutes or less. So you walk down this aisle. Basically, it says over there, RFD, Rockford A2. This is aisle A2. You just walk straight down this aisle. And guys, don't get me wrong. It's not that I don't want to park anywhere here to the left or to the right, but it makes it, there's nothing distinguishable about any of these parking spots because I don't want to make life a living hell for the guest. So this is why I have to find a spot which is distinguishable, somewhere peculiar, somewhere that the guest could easily spot the vehicle. So I get to the end of this aisle, I make a left. And then as soon as I make a left, I'm walking down the last aisle, basically. This is the last aisle. You have to make a left here to be able to exit the parking lot. This road here leads you towards the plaza. And just like that, the car rented by this guest is right there. There goes the Land Rover over there. So the Land Rover is right here. And as most of you can attest, that was such an easy and very convenient setup. So the car is set up right here. And as soon as you, the guest, or you, the viewer, watching this, to show and demonstrate how effective and easy Turo is, you come over here, you punch in the code to the lockbox, access the key. This is the vehicle. You come around here, you jump in the vehicle, or you go in the trunk and you load up your luggage. Once you're in the vehicle, you start up the car. The ticket is right there in the middle center console, and you're ready to go. You just make a U-turn, go to the plaza, put in the ticket, pay whatever it is, usually nothing more than $2, and you're on your merry way.
0, 1. Let's get started.
Why is stopping me?
So drop off at Rockford International Airport is pretty easy. I try to put the car right by the exit booth, exit toll, where the cars exit the airport parking lot and customers make payment in order to get out of the plaza. So here is an example. This is my Range Rover. It's been rented out for a couple of days here at Rockford International. The car is right here, right by the exit plaza. So this makes it very easy for the guest to locate the vehicle. So for more on the Range Rover, so basically what I do is when I park the car, I come in from the road over there, and the road takes me all around, all through there, and you make a left into the airport, you come around, and then you come in through the gates located somewhere over there. And then once you come in through those gates, I like to just come over here right by the plaza and park the car. I put the lockbox right here, and the guest could access the key using the lockbox and the rest of the car is located right here. And in relation to the location of the airport is all the way down there. So that's where the airport is. The airport is quite a walk, but the reason why I put the car here is because it makes it easy for the guests to locate the vehicle. Because if I put it anywhere else, it's going to be a lot of shuffling for them to ID the vehicle. So that's what makes this ideal. So right here, right by the plaza, it makes it easy for them to find the vehicle. While I'm making this video, there's two gentlemen standing at the traditional rental car plaza. They are still over there trying to gather their paperwork to be able to access a car. Let me show you how amazing. I've shown you how amazing Turo is, first of all, but let me show you how much time this saves you. I'm going to go back over there and show you that these two gentlemen are still over there at the rental car counter, still trying to gather paperwork, trying to make things work, trying to sign signatures. This is the time of their lives that they will never get back. This is time they're supposed to be using to enjoy the rental car experience. But they're busy languishing that time away, signing unnecessary paperwork that could have been done electronically, which is why Turo is way more convenient than these old school, outdated, traditional rental car companies. So right now, I'm coming to the end of this video. I'm just gonna go into the lobby, show you these gentlemen still trying to rent these vehicles, so that you could see that in the time that they stood over there trying to rent a car and do the paperwork involved, the Turo guest has gotten into their vehicle and basically driven off. Well, pardon me guys, I have to do this in a very tactical manner so that they don't know that I'm actually there to showcase this.
0, 1. Let's get started.
Well, here we are.
Why they stopping me?
So by the time I got to the front of the counter, it was just one of the guys there, and the second guy, his car was just being pulled up. So think about this. The time that it took the guest to walk outside, get in the vehicle, drive off, no wait, no lines, no paperwork. The conventional and traditional rental car company still has the guest filling out paperwork, signing signatures, and yet to pull their car out. That's the advantage of Turo. See you on the next one.